Greetings, Hack student. Today I'm going to show you how to add or drop a course with our drop add withdrawal form. First, you will want to locate the form on the Hack website, www.hack.edu. Navigate over to the search bar that looks like a magnifying glass and type in the keyword adding and click search. The first web page result, dropping, adding, or withdrawing, is the site we want for this form. About halfway down the web page, you will see Drop Add Withdrawal Form PDF. This will open a typable PDF form. Start by completing your name, Hack ID, and semester and year for the course you want to add. You will notice page 1 is for adding a course, and page 2 is for dropping a course. To locate your course information, please go to your MyHack portal, click the Registration/Records tab, and down to Browse for Classes and Register/Add/Drop. You will want to place the coordinating CRN number, subject, course number, and credit hours in the appropriate box. Please do not complete any information under the faculty override or faculty initiated drops column. Next, you will want to sign the bottom of page 2 in the student signature box. The advisor and faculty signature is not required when dropping or adding a class during the open registration period. If you wish to add a class that has already started, please send an email to the instructor for late registration permission. Once you have signed the form, please submit it to the Welcome Center at your local Hack campus or email it to onestopwc@hack.edu for processing. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you next semester.